Namaste, guys. This is Padmasana, Lotus. You don't want to overextend the outside ligaments of the foot. So you don't want to put too much sideways pressure on the foot and overextend these ligaments. When you grab for the foot, grab below the ankle. And when you're pulling the foot up, you want to use your own muscles without the foot as much as possible to come in. So if you can just do it without the hands, but if you have to, you can grab the hand to pull it in. Now, you want the ankles to be on or past the femur. You see how there's my feet aren't like that? They're like that? Then do your best to do both sides. So most people, they can do it easy on one side, the other side they have more problems. So in the yoga, we're always working with equanimity, and it's supposed to be like that. We're supposed to make everything equal when we do the yoga poses, because it's evening out both sides of the body and both hemispheres of the mind. I hope this helps, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Namaste.